Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Workspace admin email. This is especially useful when you're transitioning administrative responsibilities to a new team member or simply need to update who has primary control over your workspace settings. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to admin.google.com. This is your gateway to the Google Workspace admin console where all the important account management happens. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in using your current Google Workspace administrator account credentials. Make sure you're using an account that already has admin privileges, as only administrators can make changes to these critical settings. After signing in, you'll land on the admin console homepage. Here, look for and click on the option labeled Account. This section houses all your fundamental account configurations and is where we'll be making the necessary changes. Within the account menu, you'll see several options. Go ahead and click on Account Settings. This takes you deeper into the core settings that define how your workspace operates. Now, under the Account Settings menu, locate and click on Profile. This is where your workspace's identity and contact information live. It's the central hub for managing who represents your organization as the primary administrator. Once you're in the Profile section, hover your cursor over the Contact Info section. You'll notice a pen icon appears. This is your editing tool. Click on that pen icon to begin making changes to your administrative contact details. Here's where the actual change happens. Under the primary admin option, you'll see a field where you can enter a new email address. Type in the email you want to assign as the new administrator. This email should belong to someone who's ready to take on the full responsibilities of managing your Google Workspace, as they'll have access to all administrative functions and settings. Finally, once you've entered the new administrator email, click Save. This confirms and applies your changes, officially transferring primary admin status to the new email address. The transition is now complete, and the new administrator will have full control over your Google Workspace settings. Thanks for watching.